Crypto mixer Blender has been rebranded to Sinbad, says Elliptic. Elliptic's analysis of wallets tied to a suspected Blender operator showed $22 million going to Sinbad as well as similar characteristics of transactions between the mixers. NewsZone. This piece of history. Collect this article as an Blender, the cryptocurrency mixer sanctioned by the United States Department of the Treasury's Office of Foreign Assets Control in May 2022, was highly likely relaunched as Sinbad, according to risk management firm Elliptic. In a February 13 report, Elliptic said its analysis of Sinbad suggested that the crypto mixer was likely a rebrand of Blender as well as having the same individual or group responsible for it. According to the firm, Sinbad was behind laundering roughly $100 million in Bitcoin, BTC, for North Korea's hacking group Lazarus. Elliptic said following U.S. authorities cracking down on crypto mixers, as affected with Tornado Cash in August and Blender in May, Lazarus hackers used Sinbad to launder some of the funds from the $100 million attack on Horizon Bridge in January. Blockchain analysis of wallets tied to a suspected Blender operator also showed $22 million in crypto going to Sinbad and other funds sent to individuals who promoted the mixer. The on-chain pattern of behavior is very similar for both mixers, including the specific characteristics of transactions, and the use of other services to obfuscate their transactions, said Elliptic. The way in which the Sinbad mixer operates is identical to Blender in several ways, including follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.